Hello friends! Welcome to Crazy Srimanta. We'll improve our English speaking skills and learn something new. So if you're ready, stay with me until the end. Now, let's get started.
Sophia, I don't feel well today.
You look tired. What happened?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
Let's go to the pharmacy right now. Good morning. Welcome to our pharmacy. Good morning. My friend isn't feeling well.
I need some medicine, please.
Of course. I'll help you. What symptoms do you have?
I have a headache, a sore throat, and a mild fever.
He started feeling sick this morning. I understand. Let me help you.
Are you allergic to any medicine?
No, I'm not.
Are you taking any medicine now?
No, this is my first visit today. Hello, Alex. How are you feeling? I'm not feeling very well, doctor. Don't worry, I'll examine you first.
Thank you, doctor.
Please open your mouth. Okay, doctor. Your throat is a little red.
I hope he gets better soon.
Let me check your temperature. Sure, doctor. You have a mild fever.
Thank you for checking.
I'll write a prescription for you. Thank you, doctor. Take the medicine after meals.
We'll follow your advice. May I see your prescription?
Yes, here it is.
I'll prepare your medicines. Thank you for your help. Take this tablet after breakfast.
Should I take it every day?
Yes, for 5 days. We'll remember that.
Drink plenty of water.
I'll drink more water.
Get enough rest at home. We'll follow your advice.
Your medicines are ready.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card and UPI are both accepted.
Great. Great, I'll pay by card.
How do you feel now?
I already feel more relaxed.
That's good to hear.
Thank you for helping me today.
Don't forget to finish all your medicine.
I won't forget, doctor.
Look, Alex. A little boy is coughing.
I hope he feels better soon.
Hello. How can I help you today? My son has a bad cough.
How old is your son? He is 6 years old. This syrup is suitable for his age. Thank you very much.
Always read the medicine label carefully.
That's very important.
We should never take the wrong dose.
Exactly. Safety comes first.
How can we stay healthy?
Eat healthy food every day. And exercise regularly. That's the right habit. Thank you for your kindness.
Thank you for visiting our pharmacy.
Emma, I need a first aid kit.
We have a complete one right here. It looks very useful. Every home should have one. I want to buy some vitamins. These daily vitamins are very popular.
Vitamins help, but a balanced diet is also important.
Thank you for the advice.
Emma, where is the expiry date?
It's printed on the side of the box.
I always check it before buying.
That's a smart habit. Alex, my finger is bleeding a little. Don't worry, I'll clean the wound first.
Then cover it with a clean bandage.
Thank you. I already feel better.
Remember, prevention is better than cure.
I'll take good care of my health.
We'll eat healthy food and exercise every day.
Emma, does this medicine have any side effects?
It may make you feel a little sleepy.
I'll be careful.
Don't drive if you feel drowsy.
Let's check your blood pressure. Sure, doctor. Your blood pressure is normal.
That's wonderful news.
What should we do to stay healthy?
Sleep well and exercise every day.
I'll start walking every morning.
That's an excellent habit.
How are you feeling today, Alex?
I feel much better now.
The medicine worked well. I'm happy to hear that.
Thank you for all your help.
You're always welcome.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
I need my blood pressure medicine.
Please come this way, sir.
I'll get your medicine right away.
May I see your prescription, please?
Yes, here it is.
Everything looks clear.
The doctor has written the dosage.
Sir, do you need a shopping bag?
Yes, thank you.
Here is your medicine and your receipt.
Thank you for your kindness.
Please take your medicine on time.
I will, doctor.
Regular checkups are also important.
Exactly. Prevention is always better.
Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.
Take care, sir.
Take care, sir.
My daughter has a high fever. Please don't worry. We'll help you.
Is the doctor available now?
Yes, please bring her inside. Let me check her temperature.
She has been sick since last night.
She has a fever, but she'll be fine.
That's a relief.
Here's the fever syrup. How often should I give it? Give her 1 spoon every 6 hours. Thank you for explaining.
Make sure she drinks plenty of water.
Should she get enough rest too?
Yes, rest is very important. We'll remember these tips.
Thank you for your kindness and care. You're most welcome.
We hope your daughter recovers quickly.
Emma, I want to buy some vitamins. These multivitamins are very popular.
Remember, vitamins support a healthy lifestyle.
Thank you. I'll take 1 bottle.
Doctor, what foods should we eat?
Eat fresh fruits and green vegetables every day.
I'll also drink more milk.
That's an excellent choice.
Today we are offering a free health check.
That's great. I'd like to join. I'll check your weight and blood pressure. Thank you, doctor.
Your health report looks very good.
I'm happy to hear that.
His healthy habits are paying off.
Keep up the good work.
I'll take better care of my health from now on.
We'll exercise and eat healthy together. Good morning. We are very busy today.
I can see many customers.
Let's wait for our turn.
Thank you for your patience.
I need a digital thermometer.
This one is easy to use. It gives fast results.
I'll take this one. Would you like a blood sugar test? Yes, please. Your blood sugar level is normal. That's wonderful news.
Health is more important than money. That's absolutely true.
A healthy lifestyle prevents many diseases.
I'll always remember that. We'll visit again next month. We want another health checkup.
We want another health checkup.
Emma, we're going on a trip tomorrow.
Then you should carry a travel first aid kit. That's a smart idea. Safety always comes first. What medicines should we take? Pack pain relief tablets.
Bandages and antiseptic cream.
I'll make a checklist. Great, that will help you stay organized.
Would you like to join our pharmacy membership?
What are the benefits?
You'll receive health tips and special discounts. Let's join today.
Excuse me, where can I find cough syrup?
The medicine counter is over there.
I'll help you choose the right one.
Thank you for your kindness.
Good health begins with good habits.
We'll keep learning every day.
It's raining heavily today.
Yes, many people are coming to the pharmacy.
Rainy days often bring more cold and flu cases.
Let's be ready to help everyone.
I have a runny nose and a cough.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For about 3 days.
I'll recommend the right treatment. Drink warm water and get enough rest.
Should I avoid cold drinks?
Yes, that will help your recovery.
Those are useful tips.
I'd like to buy a box of face masks. These masks are soft and comfortable.
I'll buy 1 box too.
Staying protected is always a good idea.
I'll take better care of my health this season.
I'll wash my hands regularly.
Small, healthy habits make a big difference.
Welcome! Today is our vaccination day. I'd like to get my flu vaccine.
That's a wise decision. I'll get vaccinated too. Please sit here for 15 minutes.
I feel completely fine.
Me too. Everything is okay.
That's good to hear. Could you read this prescription for me? Certainly. I'll explain it clearly. May I help you carry your medicines?
May I help you carry your medicines?
Thank you, you're very kind.
Today I learned the words prescription and dosage. Excellent! They are useful pharmacy words.
I also learned pharmacist and antibiotic. Keep practicing English every day. Every visit teaches us something new.
Learning English through real-life conversation. We look forward to seeing you again.
Goodbye, stay healthy, and keep learning English. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out the next video too. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye-bye.